So to make an account on DigitalOcean, you just need to press that big blue sign up button and type your email and password. But because I already have an account, I will just log into it. And then what we have to do is to create a droplet, which is our virtual server, virtual application. And go to one-click applications and choose a docu here. And then we can choose the cheapest machine they have. And choose a region. For example, for me, Amsterdam is the closest one. Then what we need to do is to add an SSH key from your machine to be able to access the server from our place. If you don't have any SSH keys, we can generate one by typing SSH key again, DRCA-B96C, and our email, something like text, something whatever. It's usually a good idea to save files inside your .sh folder, because in that case they get the right permissions by default. So I'm going to call it a test DigitalOcean key, and there we go. So what we need to do is we need to take contents of that file, and we need to copy that key and to paste it here. Ocean key, and we can name it. It's usually a good idea to name the key here exactly the same way as it is named on your own machine. There we go. And test machine. And that's it. We just click create. And it starts to create a machine. It usually takes around a minute for the machine to be created. In the meanwhile, let's add our SSH key to our config. So we would be able to SSH the server without typing the key. And it's usually a good idea to do sudo it, because you cannot change anything in .sh folder without doing so. There we go. Go down, and what I need is an IP address of the machine, which is this one, and host name, and what is our identity file is. So far I remember it was called test DigitalOcean key. The user is .co. There we go, and we saved. Now what we need to do is to SSH to the server to make sure that it works fine. To do so, we can just type SSH root at our IP address. And it's not yet ready. Probably still configure some stuff. Let's try once again. Let's try to type docu. And there we go, docu is here and it works. To finish setting up the server, we need to do two things. First of all, we need to go to our droplet, and we basically need to push one button, which is called finish setup, unless you want to set some hostname to the application. And also, it's usually a good idea to add some swap space, because DigitalOcean by default doesn't have any. And when you're building your application, you might need more memory than 500 megabytes. So for that, I already made a one-line script, and I will post it somewhere below. I will just copy paste it here, and it should be working.